NCW. If it bleeds, we can unalive it. Let's go.
I am fucking pissed off with that son bitch.
Oh! Big up Sam Wakefield. Is that Sam Wakefield? Before he was
to show his face, if he's even here. If he's apparently a complete nutter and a psychopath.
I like a little authority like as well. Oh, it cost to be the boss. And fucking Malachi. Come on, he's insane. Hey, I like this venue. Like, where's this? Oh, some familiar faces in the crowd, like. Oh, there's Parrot and everything. Oh, what a fella. Wow, yes, boys, love it. So is this how Kumite started? And they were like watching this and we're like, ah, this is shit, we can do it better. I like the venue though. Wow, he's a wrestler. I thought he was like ring announcer. Those look like vines, don't it?
You don't need no mic.
Is that Fletch in the ring?
Fucking prick. Go.
It's a cool setup, it totally reminds us of the Vines bar. Chesterfield. Pick up the knee pads, he's still got the mic and the boys. Is that Fletch? Is that Fletch?
24 time, what you doing?
What's going on here? It's a very cool setup. No, it's not. Rock and Roll Country Bar in Chesterfield. Looks like a sick venue.
I want to sit. Give me a drink. I want him to tag me.
Remember that lad thinking Fletcher's belly burn? At least there's a link there. Which one?
I got AIDS, by the way. I do apologise. Not really. I can't touch it twice. Come on, let me fat fuck.
He's got a cheater. So this is the first blood match. What the hell? Oh, Doggo on the roof. Doggo's on the roof. Big up Doggo. What's that like? Is that the Noshas? Is that the Noshas on screen? Is that the Noshas on screen? OG Noshas, there, back. Fucking bad, white bag. Was that the fucking OG Vines Twilight Noshas? Was it or not? Ah, yeah, I forgot Drake Wynter was even in this match. I read it out at the start. So much going on. Wow. Caught on camera for the first time ever. The OG Noshas. The fucking all the boys are there. I wish I was in this crowd.
Do you want to see a match between these two?
That's not Fletch. My bad. Why the fuck's the ring announcer wearing knee pads then?
Match against these two.
You want to see a first blood match?
A first blood match. The first person to make their opponent bleed from the head.
Bleed from the head. You get that, folks?
Fuck. And as a referee, let's fucking do it.
Bleed from the head.
I don't like bleeding, man. Who's gonna bleed?
From the head.
Who's gonna bleed?
It's the first time I've ever heard that specified in the first blood match. From the head. Alan, you alright? Big up Alan, resting his bad back tonight he is. He's feeling it, he's feeling it. Let's get some love for Alan's bad back. Ooh, that was interesting start. Whoa! Nah. You bleed from the cough, match continues. The ref has the gloves on. Yeah, that's a bit weird. That's because it's like a first blood match, so like it's not like there's gonna be crazy glass everywhere. Because you'd assume, and I haven't seen this, I know nothing about it, but you'd assume that one light tube is first blood. Oh, we're going Morgies. Wow, love me. Yeah, that venue is sick though. Let's get a show on. What? Do these not run there anymore? Or is the venue fucked or something? This show would be so fun to be out live, yeah, 100%. Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, you fuck like you. It's a bit cold, I'll get your coat on. Won't catch me pneumonia.
I'm absolutely fucked already.
Yeah.
I quit smoking if I was.
Oh, you aye. No.
Fucking fight today, doesn't it?
Oh, big old stick one. I'll see you soon. Wait, I need one. Hey! Oh, gee, Osha, offering his services there. We're on screen, oh, gee, Osha, that's hilarious. Oh, that's a wall. Oh, that's a wall. Don't know about what I'm saying, what a match, but what a venue. We'll go with that. Great win there. What about that guy? Here we go. Ian Sane in the membrane. Oh, I thought he was pulling him in for a notch there, but he a big old club to the back. Yeah. Oh. Never feel a match is back. Good to have you. Again. Oh. Jimmy Tap. Oh. There's some familiar faces in the crowd, like I noticed them before.
Come on, Ian! Get on!
Come on, Ian! Come on, Ian! Come on, Ian! He's fucking fumbling that chair, like he's absolutely he doesn't know how to handle it. Fucking hell! Same. Have him. No blood, nice one. Thank you, ref. Let me know. No blood. Oh. 16 knockouts in, like that's good. Like Tin Pot Wrestling is a draw. Write that one down. So remember that. Hit the likes if you haven't already. Oh. If you weren't here at the start, stream exclusive. Noshpot shirts are on the Deathmatch Outlaws website. Got some nice Noshpot Polaroids. Stream exclusive. You can get them first before I share them with the wider world later in the week. You opted with the old dark blue option we did. Designed by fellow Nosher. Tobias. Strictly from the head.
Go on, Ian! Go on, Ian! Go on, Ian!
Let's have a game of higher or lower. Grace knee don't count. Which head? How many aspirin did Blizzard take that day? Is he already bleeding from somewhere? Like 100 over the space of a week for a first blood match. Has he started bleeding yet? Like out of the body or something?
You want to get your hand with this? You, do you want to help me? Come here. Oh, God, no, just give my hand a bit of a shot.
Wow. So is that not bleeding?
What are you doing that for?
What?
I feel like you know I got a prick in my mouth.
Wow. Man. Is that not bleeding though? Or is it literally the forehead? Not the cheek? Commentators grunge, NCW is sludge. I couldn't have said it any better myself. Hello, bestie, Danny Douglas. It's #1 mod made in this chat. Wow! That's awesome. I like that. That's funny. That was good, that. I like that. I say it, not shots. I say this every time, but I think this is my favourite stream so far. Wednesdays are the best, like, I like, you never know what. Oh, cool. From the head. Was Kane on this show or not? Is there any footage of this show in full? Are we good for a watch along? I love how fucking dog was chilling on the roof watching. Fucking love.
Is that fat guy that Harry Potter called?
I don't watch Harry Potter.
You sure?
Ah!
That guy at Harry Potter?
Hagrid. What the hell? Malachi mugged him off there, like, I love that. Big Malachi. Hey, thank you. If you haven't followed on Tik, make sure you do, guys. That is where the big old in real life Norwich Red Zone invasion stream with me now will happen. Because obviously we'll get flagged for anything and then I'll chop it up and put it on YouTube. I'm just gonna try and build it up for now. I would totally watch the show. Or Kane was on the previous show. Oh! Remember though, from the head. Why the fuck didn't we just have a deathmatch, man, and just do pins? So stupid. Is this cheating or bleeding though? And if you haven't got your tickets for either ways, you can see above my head. October 10th live in Doncaster, www.eitherways. Right in the noshpit.co.uk. And if you're on cutting pre-show, hooray! First ever live audience, face to face, like, you know, like live at the Apollo shit, Jeremy Kyle shit. Get yourself to that as well, it'll be a fun time.
It's working now.
It's working now, it is. As he puts his shoulder out. I think this show was a week after the CCW show. Blizzard was one of them in the match, wasn't it, at the CCW show? He fucked his knee there.
Down there, get him away, get him away.
No blood yet from the head. I wonder what happened in the time, like where they cut the match halfway through. Must have. Oh no! Is this that match?
Fucking do this.
Oh, I've seen this before. No blood?
That's my souvenir.
How you hammer? How are you? How are you, mate? How are you? I've seen this before. It's weird how his cheek's not bleeding like.
Fucking feels it!
Oh! Give me tap.
Mummy and my dad.
Oh, a little nip slip by Wynter. Cheeky, hot beans. Nosha's on screen. The Noshas are on screen. It's insane, man.
Move your drinks!
I've got two ready.
Sorry, I'm just stretching. Great match. So far. Great venue. You know, anything's in that white bag. I bet it fucking stinks.
Oh no! Oh no!
Seen this before.
Oh no!
It's called NCW. It's on YouTube. Well,
Yes!
oh, mate.
Can you say the professional shop rules? Do you want me to pull it?
What the fuck? Just pull it, man. You don't need the hammer.
Fucking legend.
There's blood! Do you reckon that went through the same hole? No, he's bleeding. Is that it? That's gotta be it? Or is it the head? I wonder if this venue had its toilets violated.
I need a towel! Fuck!
Well, without proof, we gotta know. We know. We have proof, we have. Oh, the fucking OG Noshas, man. Where's he gone? Is that's not like. Why didn't they just do a fucking what's he doing? Why didn't they just do a normal deathmatch or whatever they're doing with pins? If they're gonna, oh, like. So stupid, like, the first blood idea, like, but it's over. What's he just hitting with the pins to the back? Ah, he's bleeding. First blood from the head. Oh, he's hitting. He's hitting from the back. Oh. This cameraman's well crap. We got Patrick. Fucking hell, he's pissing there. Was that a gusset thing? Thought it was tapped. That was insane. Got it kosher. Gusset cricket back. Punch was pretty cool, like, I like the punch, but... What is... Whoa, fucking...